What's going on, family? Back with another video, and as you can tell, my truck won't start. So I got a new starter. I already kind of showed you the part number to that guy. Ordered it, got it in today, so we're gonna try to change out the starter today.
Stick with me, man. I'm gonna show you how to get this done.
First things first, we're gonna disconnect this battery real quick. Now this is a 10 millimeter, and you're gonna have to remove this cover here. Okay. That disconnected, we can get ready to pull our starter off. There we are. That right there is the passenger side of the vehicle, and the starter's got 2 bolts right there that we need to get down. Once you get these 2 bolts out, those are 13s, and this one 10 mil. Okay, so for me, I have to put this back on my connector. Get this plugged in first, put it back up in there. Next will be this, then my 2 13 millimeter bolts, and then my 10 millimeter last. Okay, so hopefully seeing this part will help you out here. So this is the top down view. So you got your 13 millimeter bolts that come through here. This is a 13 millimeter bolt as well. Then you have this little clip here. It has a red tab that you need to pull out, and then you need to press down on here. I had to break mine to get it out, but it's normally clipped on there. Then you have that 10 mil I was telling you about. This goes to a metal shroud. That's the bottom down view. That's what you'll see. So inside the truck, it'll be mounted like this. So you have your 3 bolts, your 2 13s, 1 10, your connector, and then your positive wire. So one thing you always want to do is compare your parts, make sure they're the same. So just looking at them, 10 mil, 10 mil, round connector, 13, 13. So check your bolt, make sure it threads on here. Looking at it from the bottom, make sure your bolts fit in there. Flipping it up, look at that. Now, what I found very curious is this truck has about 100,000 miles on it. Look at how nice those teeth are. Look how worn down those teeth are compared. Those versus those. So everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put this back in, and I'll catch you guys then. Okay, so once you got the new one in there, that's your connector. Now, on the back side of that, right up in there, you have your positive wire. There's the 10 mil, your 2 13s. Also, what I found to be helpful was to take this black shroud off to help you fish the new one back up in there. Okay, guys, put your battery post back on. There she goes. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching the video, man. I know I didn't get the best video out of that, but it's very hard to film and do the work when there's no space. And I don't have a lift, man. I'm doing this all on the ground. Nothing got jacked up. This is all from literally the ground, with the wheels on the ground. So it's very hard to show you, but if anything, leave me a comment, tell me what I need to do. If you need help, leave a comment, man. I'll try to answer your question. I can try to help you out.